Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on temporarily disabling your Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Don't mistake disabling your account for deleting it. Disabling your account is not permanent. If you are looking for how to permanently delete your account, there is a link to that tutorial in the video description. To start, open the Facebook app and then tap on the menu button at the top or bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Under the Account heading, select Personal and Account Information. Choose Account Ownership and Control. Then tap Deactivation and Deletion. Select Deactivate Account, and then tap Continue to Account Deactivation. You will need to enter your password to continue. Give a reason why you are deactivating your account. You can choose to have your account automatically reactivate after a certain amount of days, or you can choose for it to not reactivate automatically. Messenger will remain active for your account unless you go and deactivate it in the Messenger app. You can check the box to not receive Facebook notifications while your Facebook account is deactivated. Tap Deactivate My Account. Your account will now be deactivated. In order to reactivate it, you just have to log in like normal, and it will be active again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.